monsters. And we're going to go ahead and dispel a myth. I'm sick of seeing urban legends and people believing them. What I want to dispel is low brass, 12 gauge birdshot. This stuff here is number 8 Federal, 1.5 ounce, 3 grams, number 8 shot. We also have some Remington, which you will see the difference because they're grain. But get the one here so the tag's not covering up the info. The Remington is going to be just a 1 ounce, 7.5 shot. It's the only difference is that the distance we're shooting, the shot size is still the size of my fist. It hasn't opened up because we're at 25 feet, 20 feet, which is what you don't usually see inside of your home. So for personal defense inside the home, we're going to show you what these 2 inexpensive birdshot loads can do versus the 44 Magnum, and we might even get Mr. H's 45 ACP in there, put a few holes in. But what we're shooting is going to be these 1.5 by 1.5s. These came off the railings, or these are the railings for my renovation at the house. These things are tough. We've already shot this one once, but that's a baseball size swing, and you can see that if I didn't hit that right on a knot like I tried to, that wouldn't have broke. Now, as far as a human chest, there's no one stepping in front of that, especially if I catch it on a lower part that doesn't have a knot. If I catch it down low, no way that's breaking. No way this is going to break. But if you get hit in the sternum with this, hit in the head, you're going to fracture something. Let's see what this does with some birdshot. Let's also see what this does when it hits a 44 Magnum. We've already tested it out, so we already know. We're going to keep you guys up to date on it. But for now, I'm going to get my boy K9 Jippo, get him on the shotgun, or you want to do the 44 first?
44 first.
We'll hit some 44 Magnum. Go ahead, get on that. Go ahead, load up, buddy. These are the, get your ears on. I gotta do the same. Let me stand right over your shoulder to get a good perspective. Go ahead, on your command. Now, go ahead. All right, now I want to see you hit that first pole. Go ahead and hit that. Take your time. Nice controlled squeeze. Hit that first pole. One shot. All right, let's go survey some damage. Nice. Hey, let's take a look, see what happened. Go ahead and make safe. Fire line safe. Word. Step down range. Well, the cans blew up nice and splintery. I love that. You gotta love that, man. Some nasty. Look at that damage. Check this out. That blew a chunk off. Hey, Mr. H. What What do you think about this one, Mr. H? Hey,
That's some good damage.
that's just nasty stuff right there. Look at that. This short one. I knew this one was going to be a tough one because this is some hard wood. I broke this one previously in a video for mine, hitting it on that knot, swinging it. Just nasty what this does. Look how deep that penetrates. There's a high def for you. Now, here's a point I'd like to make. Human sternum is nowhere near as dense or as thick as this 1x1. There's my thumb for comparison. Right there. So, K9 Jippo put a ruler to it. We do have 1.5 by 1.5. What do you think, K9?
I think it's pretty effective. 1.5, 1.5. Should do some damage for someone, huh?
Hey, let's get something that's on the put a more realistic perspective. I got something, but hey, we out?
Yep.
Or